The cost of Shiba Inu is going to double this night, with new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and Shibarium constantly entering the market. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more accepted. An anticipated Layer 2 (L2) blockchain network for Shiba Inu called Shibarium was developed on Ethereum. It will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into a whole ecosystem. We will discuss about the cost of Shiba Inu is going to double this night. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu, a meme currency of note, is now ranked among the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The group behind Shib has continued to work on several projects at a consistent rate of development. The Shib ecosystem is well known for its noteworthy benchmarks and significant accomplishments. One of the most recent significant announcements was made by Binance on April 18 last year about the decision to remove Shiba Inu from the innovation zone. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange reportedly said that it would be removing Shiba Inu, along with other tokens including Frax Share, Trust Wallet Token, and Onij, from the innovation zone on April 18. The innovation zone was created, according to Binance's release, to provide a secure environment for users to trade novel and creative products. Some of these initiatives could have shown their value over time and achieved the high caliber we need. Binance announced that it has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the innovation zone after thorough evaluations. Shib reached this milestone after assessments by Binance that were based on a number of variables. So, in an effort to stress test the network, someone wrote a script that would produce millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, is still rising, raising questions about what can be behind this unexpected rise. Recent revelations state that a script was used to stress test the network by creating millions of wallets. A recent tweet from a team member of the Shib Pixel Pups NFT project revealed that the project is based on Shiba Inu. The person disclosed that they were the creator of a script that produced more than 9.5 million PuppyNet wallets and executed more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating around 1620 tokens on the test network. These tokens include Shib Pixel Pups DAO, SPP DAO, and Shib Pixel Pups Token, SPPX. PuppyNet's official block explorer, PuppyScan, provides data that reveals the network has an astounding 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Remember that there were over 5 million wallets lately, an 86% increase in only 2 days. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. Before the network is launched on the mainnet, the test network aims to provide interested parties the chance to perform a variety of tests on it to ensure its reliability and efficacy. All activity, coins, and transactions shown on the test net are simply for testing reasons and are not genuine, as the Shiba Inu lead, Satoshi Kazama, has frequently said. It's a commendable endeavor to write a script that creates millions of wallets on the test network, since this may help assess how scalable and effective the blockchain is. It may also assist in identifying any possible errors or malfunctions that can arise along the procedure. To evaluate the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. The writers of the screenplay said that their goal was to assess how well the network could manage instances of heavy traffic, such as airdrops and games. They also discussed testing the network's resiliency, transaction speed, and other capabilities by running an airdrop script in other ways. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The Shib burns over the month of December have been very remarkable. 6.78 billion Shib tokens were destroyed in December, totaling 540 transactions. As a result, both the total number of Shib destroyed and the number of transactions were much higher than in the prior months. Since October 2022, when 9.05 billion Shib were destroyed in 2433 transactions, the amount burned in December was the largest. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burnt in 3 transactions, according to the Shib burn tracker, which revealed yesterday that 25.31 million of those Shib came from a single wallet. Coinbase associated wallet Coinbase 10 was the source of this greatest transaction, sending a massive 25,313,097 Shib to the burn address in a one transaction. The overall burn rate increased by 11.08% as a result of this transaction from the 2.93 million Shib from the day before. The futures market also provides evidence of the upward trend. There has been a rise in Shiba Inu open interest, OI, since the beginning of December. The number of active positions that investors have taken in contracts is the statistic. Data from CoinGlass indicates that there are now over 2.4 trillion Shib, or around $26.78 million, worth of open futures. OI was only about $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest indicates that traders' interest in Shib is expanding. At the beginning of February, when the price of Shib reached its annual peak of $0 and 1,591 cents, the OI was $47.3 million. The price of the Shiba Inu was $0 and 1,083 cents at the time of publishing. The Shib price is now trading in a rising triangle, a continuation pattern, as was noted on News BTV. After plunging below $0 and 913 cents today, Shib has recorded a new higher low. As a result, the upward trend continues. By the end of January, it may be clear whether the bulls or the bears win out. Due to a steady increase that began a month ago, Shiba Inu's futures open interest, OI, has surged to $2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, attracting the attention of investors. This upward trend portends a resurgence of interest and raises expectations for a price increase. The entire number of open futures contracts that have not been closed out or settled by an offsetting deal is referred to as the futures open interest. Essentially, it shows the amount of contracts that are still active and owned by the market players. When an asset's open interest grows exponentially, it often signals that a considerable quantity of fresh money comes into the market, and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price moves. Shiba Inu's open interest has risen by more than 52% from the low of $18.05 million seen on December 13 to the present level of $27.51 million worth of Shib tokens, or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, a platform for future trade information. Since the asset's price often rises in response to an increase in open interest, the OI chart illustrates the relationship between Shib's open interest and price movement. OI grew to $3.2 trillion in tokens, with $47.3 million in Shib token value. On November 5th, Shib's price spiked to $0 and 1,027 cents on that day, the asset's greatest value of the year, in tandem with this. But after February 5th, Shib's OI began to decline, and the asset's price also started to decline. After plunging to its lowest point on December 13th, the open interest is once again rising in value. Investors anticipate a corresponding increase in the asset's price. Trade activity on Binance has also shown a renewed interest in Shib. Over the last 4 days, Shib's volume on Binance has risen every day, after falling to $1.58 trillion Shib on January 8. There are presently 2.44 trillion tokens in circulation for today. Shib is trying to break out of the ascending triangle it is now trapped in during the prolonged consolidation phase, despite its current underperformance. At $0 and 911 cents, the asset has decreased 0.97% over the last 24 hours, but up 0.8% over the last hour. If the triangle is broken, Shib may aim for the $0 and 15 cents highs from February. Recent patterns indicate that the asset has become popular among market players, and more demand may help it achieve its objectives. According to CoinMarketCap's 2023 research, Shib ranked in the top 3 assets watched globally. Recently, the Shiba Inu community also hinted about a historic cooperation with the late great singer Scott Page and an NFT alliance with well-known American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, in which Storms would welcome Shib into his official shop. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.